let's go again. 20x on pachinko. That is a hundo. That is a 2K on the board. Literally 2K. Oh, yeah, this is gonna... Oh, yes! Yes! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Okay! Alright, give me the 4K now, boy. Give me that, boy. Give me that, boy. Alright. Please. Come on, do it. Do it! Make our dreams come true. Do it! Do the 4K, boy!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
On Cash Hunt. That surely was a wonderful redemption. That was the best we went from, started from the bottom, now we're here, or whatever it is that someone said, Drake. Cash Hunt, let's go. Welcome to Cash Hunt. Hi, how are you doing? Here we got some cute little multipliers, 100x right there, 100x to the maximum. We're gonna shuffle them up. Hide them behind emojis. Oh, wait, I didn't even, with the excitement of the pachinko, I didn't even notice. This is even better. We got 5x multiplier. So now 500x is the maximum. Oh, guys, we are on fire. That wheel is on fire. Okay, we're going to shout 500x maximum. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Breath of fresh air. So, there they are. Choose your own multiplier, but I wouldn't sweat it too much because they're all amazing. Of course, 500 is the maximum, that's the best, but they're all so good. So good. Delicious. We're having a feast. We're gonna feast like kings tonight. Okay, let's open it up.
This is the amount of money issued, 587,719 euros.
Imagine that the lowest is 25x. 134 of you got the 500x. Amazing. 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 We're having a great time. Welcome newcomers, by the way. We're having a great time. Well, I'm having a great time at least. Final seconds for your bets. You got it? Anna, you got the 500. Congratulations. Oh, your top 3. Well done. Betting time is open. Please place your bet joints for the next round. Let's go. Ow. Betting time is over. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, base. 5x on Crazy Time. In the last 5 rounds, we had 3 ones, a 5, and a coin flip. Oh, here it is, finally, Crazy Time. But it's not just crazy, it's crazy times 5. We're 5 times crazier. X maximum. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,060,845 euros.
50x on yellow, 500x on green. Go Team Green. Congratulations to the winners, Spa, Marnie Mohan, and you two, your top 3. Well done. Welcome back, everybody. Betting time is open. Here we go. Well, that was fun. Might have been even the most fun I've had on Crazy Time. Betting time is over. let's go to coin flip. Okay, welcome to coin flip, everyone. Let's wait for the multipliers. We'll give them a couple of seconds for them to try and show up by themselves. And if not, I will make them appear. Whoa, we have 50. That sounds everything by 5. Oh, this is scary. This is very high stakes. We have 15 on reds or 250 on blue. Okay, let's just do it.
This is the amount of money issued 65,308 euros.
50x multiplier. Congratulations to all of the winners. Top winners are DJ, Hyan, and Tigress. So well done. The bets are open. I guess coin flip is on fire today. It had 750, now 250 on coin.
I don't even have pockets to pay for my pockets. What are you talking about? Good luck. What shampoo am I using? That's the type of shampoo. The type of shampoo that gives me this hairline. What can I do? What can I do? It's a 3x crazy time. And it is crazy time, baby. Woo. How can you say you're sad when a 3x crazy time is up? Come on, follow me to the crazy world. I mean, sure, here we are. The crazy world. Look at all those beauties, aka those multipliers. Yeah. Now choose, please. Green, blue, yellow. It is a maximum of 300. X, get that, please. Come on. Ooh, Team Blue with a double. I see 45s already, but going for more for Team Blue. Woo, woo, woo. So you know what that means. Somewhere over there on that big wheel, it's a 600X. Get that, baby. Ha ha ha, more doubles, baby. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna casually press on a button and get a 1200.
This is the amount of money issued 64,723 euros.
Oui, oui, Jean-Pierre. Nice. Ha ha ha. Pretty good stuff. Congratulations, everyone. What a successful, crazy time. Who got that blue action? Tell me. Be honest.
All right, have a good day. My guy, haha. Betting time is open. Welcome to all new players as always. Last casual. Okay, TYY is the mod apparently. Good. Goodbye, hi there. Alright, let's go again. Well, the excellent pachinko. I mean, that'd be insane to hit. Are you serious? Are you serious? 20x pachinko? What? Okay. Now we need a good board. Alright, everybody. Follow me to the pachinko. Let's see what kind of multipliers we're getting this time around. Alright. Come on. Good board. Good board, please. And actually hit something good. Alright, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 100x and a double. That is a hundo. That is a 2K on the board. Literally 2K. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be... Please give the 2K somehow. Where's the landing zone? Where are you at, landing zone? Okay, you're here. Was there anything good on this side? I don't remember. Let's just go. Please! Something good. Or double. If you're going towards the double... Oh, yes! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Okay! Alright, give me the 4K now, boy. Give me that, boy. Give me that, boy. Alright, let's go up yet again. Wait, we're above the 4K. Okay. Please. Come on, do it. Do it! Make our dreams come true. Do it! Do the 4K, boy! Do the 4K, boy, please!
This is the amount of money issued 142,359 euros.
Why is it 200, bro? No.
Year of the Dragon Ball Z, top winner. Nice. Love to see that nickname on top. Giggity. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody at the pump, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store. I don't remember the rest of the words. Here's some gin and juice, but I really don't want to. Okay, Pachinko 5x. Just number? For now it is. Although easy numbers. We'll see. Give crazy time. We already been there. That's boring. Kendra, if your nickname is Kendra, I'm calling you Kendra. I don't care that your name is Lay. In my eyes, you're a Kendra. Kinda sounds wrong. Okay, so 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100. And a little bit of a top slot. Little bit. So the biggest one is gonna be 500x. Well, let's try our best, I guess. We got this. Ooh. Don't you play with my heart like this. Best of luck. Okay, what you got? Ooh. This is... I don't know. No, yes.
This is the amount of money issued 254,682 euros.
Guys, back to the wheel. Sorry, guys. That was a quick finish. Yay. And Nico, best timing for you, Nico, to show up. Best timing. During my...
Well, yeah. I see you get here, Rich. Come on! Yes! Cash out with a 10x, everybody, let's go! Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man! Bam! You're gonna get multipliers on this stop, everybody. Next multiplier is gonna be A. What's it gonna be? A max multiplier, everybody, 1000x! Let's go! 1000x, everybody, good luck and have some fun. These multipliers are gonna be shuffled up so they're not gonna be in the same spot as you saw them, everybody. So, everybody, once again, good luck and have some fun, and let's see what you're gonna be in store for us each time. Have something beautiful. Of course, everybody, choose anything you like here. Good luck and have some fun. And the other thing is, if you do not shoot in time, everybody, it is going to be automatically picked for you. So, good luck, have some fun, and salute all of you. Let's make it happen. Let's see those results, please. They are
This is the amount of money issued 97,003 euros.
Come on, 24 players with 1,000x. Wow! Congratulations, all of you. We are hit again. Total winners 1,493. Round of applause, all your winners. We're gonna be back here again. Let's go and start pumping up, please. Alrighty, let's go. Congratulations, all your winners.
Three, two, one. Rosie, hi, welcome. Great time 5x from Topslot. Hi, Rosie, hi. What? I did change from the red just yes. Crazy time 5x. In we go. Welcome to Crazy Time, a 5x Crazy Time as well. Multiply everything by 5. Okay, you may make your decisions green, blue, or yellow. I see 500 may be the biggest. And let's see. Green goes for double. 125 for blue, 175 for yellow. Come on, green. 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued 132,259 euros.
Welcome back. Special congratulations and a round of applause for the green team. 500x. Wow.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.